Yeah.
Are you drunk?
Click it on Grant.
Are you high or are you drunk?
I'm neither. This is Erica. This is Stacy's birthday.
It's been Stacey's birthday for 2 damn weeks. Damn. Is it gonna say happy birthday?
No, you didn't get the bubble right.
That's a sexy bubble.
Damn.
Bust it, baby. See how big that is? That's huge. Get it, Poppy.
It's spinning.
It's going big. It's spinning. Do you see it spinning? Let's see if you can see it spinning. You see it
Where
spinning?
did Adriana go?
It's going that way.
Bring her mom's car back to her.
That's a huge bubble. My God.
I don't know.
Oh, mom's hiding it.
Something like
Pops.
Yeah. Cindy Martinez taught me that. That's
Cat.
the
that.
bubble.
Right?
Say ciao.
So
Ciao.